Welcome to Atlassian's journey to the cloud. My name is Anna Barry. I'm a technical partner manager, and today I'm looking forward to walking you through Atlassian's vision and strategy in order to succeed in the cloud. So today what I'm going to walk through is why Atlassian Cloud, solution investments and product roadmaps, cloud security and data residency, Atlassian Ecosystem and marketplace, and finally cloud apps on Forge. It is no secret that Atlassian is focused on cloud, and it is our promise to deliver the best Atlassian experience in the cloud. Over 90% of our customers now start with Atlassian cloud products, with more server customers making the switch every day. The majority of our customers can now move to the cloud, and we are continuing to knock down the remaining blockers on our roadmap. We've been heavily investing in the cloud to ensure that the capabilities to support both small and medium businesses to enterprise organizations. So why Atlassian Cloud? Overall, it comes down to three key values: time to value, ROI, and innovation. Cloud allows your team to focus their time, energy, and resources on your core business. You get to choose how you spend your time on the things that are mission critical for your business and your customers. Atlassian does the heavy lifting for you with built-in platform security and compliance, faster setup, and no maintenance required. Cloud comes with the benefit of continuous innovation, so your end users will have the latest and greatest experiences. We're investing further in cloud to increase scale, meet additional complex requirements like HIPAA and FedRAMP, and help admins manage their instances in a more seamless manner. How we are going to deliver this, though, comes into the solutions, investments, and products. Let's dive into what we're looking at. At Atlassian, we're invested in solving a number of challenges for our customers with comprehensive solutions of our best-in-breed products. We're looking at this with Agile, Devops, ITSM, and work management. Agile and DevOps is where we help teams go from plan and track to build, test, and deploy within Jira software and Bitbucket. We've set the standard for software teams around the world, working and shipping in an agile way from concept to code. ITSM and IT Ops, Dev and IT are now closer together more than ever. With Jira Service Management, Ops Genie, Status Page, we're helping IT teams redefine how they operate end to end. And work management. Our work management solutions across Confluence and Trello are helping even non-technical business teams adopt agile ways of working and achieve business. As I mentioned in my previous slides, all of our products are supported by strong enterprise-grade foundations of scale: security, governance, compliance, and extensibility. So I'll now dive into these and walk you through different products and features that we're delivering. For Agile, Atlassian's tools are built to empower teams' autonomy, help those teams align to the bigger picture, and give them the flexibility to continuously improve. Our Agile solution includes Trello, where teams can brainstorm, ideate, and plan in an unstructured way, giving them the freedom to create. Once plans are formulated and big ideas need to be broken down into smaller, achievable parts, teams can move big projects into Jira software, which is purpose-built for all Agile software development and allows teams to track work from backlog all the way through to the value delivered to the customers. Confluence allows teams to document and collaborate throughout the process so that teams can stay in sync and up to date in real time. A key aspect of achieving an Agile workflow is being able to report to the organization. Therefore, we have invested in increasing visibility to the organization through roadmaps, OKR planning, and cross-product metrics and insights that allow teams to roll up their work. And by connecting Dev and IT with Jira, Atlassian can make DevOps flow in ways no other company can. We can accelerate the software delivery lifecycle, speed changes through production, and resolve incidents faster. So a couple of features that we're implementing. Roadmaps in Jira Software Classic. Roadmaps are critical in providing a clear and concise way for anyone in the company to understand what's happening with the product or service. Roadmaps is our #1 customer requested feature and is now available in Jira software in both next-gen and classic project types across all license tiers. For those looking to get a portfolio level view, we've also added advanced roadmaps into Jira Software Premium. Metrics and insights is the other key aspect of Agile. By connecting our tools through the Atlassian Work Management Analytics, we can surface in-context metrics that give Agile teams actionable insights for how to improve. We will be shipping sprint insights that helps teams understand the overall health of their Agile team and how they are performing in sprints. This helps teams identify blockers faster and get to a resolution to keep work moving forward. Our insights are also based on team health, so not just performance. This means that teams can improve how they communicate and work together in real time without waiting until the end of a sprint to identify if something is wrong. Atlassian DevOps. Atlassian DevOps starts by accelerating your workflow with pre-built connection points that are ready to be hooked up to both Atlassian and third-party tools. It empowers your teams to design the way they want to work with unmatched flexibility powered by automation, workflows, and Forge. With Atlassian, teams choose the tools they work best in and leverage existing investments. Developers will always seek to use tools that create value and advantage with our open approach, and our open approach makes this possible. Last but not least, Atlassian DevOps enables you to automate tedious tasks via automation in Jira. This allows businesses to spend more time on customer-focused efforts. More than half of our users that use automation in Jira have already reported that it saves more than 6 hours per month. So we're building this in with DevOps solution in Jira. DevOps can't be bought from a single vendor. It is built. So we've done the groundwork of setting up the structure for you with a pre-configured DevOps project, combining Atlassian products and partners together. The default DevOps project is built around Jira software, Confluence, and Bitbucket, and extends to our partners. We want to meet you where you are on your journey, so you can sub in the default tools with the tools your developers want to use and are already using. Code in Jira. We're focused on making Jira the center of truth for both your development team and the teams that work hand in hand with them. With the Code in Jira tab, teams can get a snapshot of how your team's most precious asset, code, maps to your work. When a user includes an issue key in their commit, branch names, or PR summary, we will automatically pass out the repo in which that activity occurred and display it on the page. Everyone on the team can see all the repos they work across. Everyone in the organization can see the code that team touches, all in one place. Furthermore, the list of repositories is ordered by what was updated most recently, so everyone can get a sense of what the team is working on right now. Whilst we have started with repos, we intend to augment this with other relevant information to help teams make faster, better decisions. Code in Jira works with leading Git tools, whether using Bitbucket, GitHub, or GitLab. Our open approach makes it possible for your developers to work in the tools of their choice, but connects their work to the broader teams and projects through Jira. Next is deployments in Jira. Understanding the work in progress code is only part of the challenge. What happens when this code is rolled out to customers? How do you understand what was deployed when? We're now bringing that insight into Jira with the Deployments tab. By including issue keys in your commits as part of your development process, any deployment that includes these commits will be presented here. You will automatically get the deployment insights at no extra effort. The list of issues is also ordered by the most recently deployed. Furthermore, we've added the ability to only show information from the environments, types, and names you care about. If you only want to see what was shipped into production recently, we've got you covered. Or maybe you want to see where in the pipeline a particular change is, so you can anticipate when it will reach the customer. No worries, you can jump in here, search for issue, and see when it's been deployed. Moving on to ITSM. For those of you who aren't familiar with ITSM, we've designed it to unlock high velocity teams. It brings together dev, IT, and business teams to deliver, operate, and support exceptional service experiences. So what is really different about our approach to ITSM? Firstly, faster time to value. You can deliver, operate, and support greater employee and customer service experiences fast, without the cost and complexity of traditional ITSM solutions. It's extremely easy to use and deploy. Second is increased visibility. It provides an open, collaborative platform that brings greater visibility to work, so teams have rich, contextual information at their fingertips to move fast and make better decisions, especially around business changes and responding to incidents. And finally, as has been a theme in my presentation, Devops. Thanks to our heritage in development, we have understood the need to really invest in helping accelerate the flow of work between development and IT operations. You can seamlessly speed business requests through to development to the operations and back again. We're achieving this through Help and JSM. I mentioned that we'd be integrating Help, our new conversational ticketing acquisition, into Jira Service Management. This will make it easier for your employees to ask and get help from their collaboration tool of choice, be it Slack or Microsoft Teams. The request gets quickly routed to the right agent and team for resolution, and it makes for a much more seamless service experience. There's no need for your employees to log in to a portal or send an email if they don't want to. AI-powered service management. We've been investing in incorporating machine learning capabilities and smarts into our service management offering. In the second half, you will see capabilities that help accurately predict who to route requests or tickets to, accurately categorize tickets that come in so they can be routed to the right team, and suggest people to @mention or share information with, perhaps relevant SMEs who can help you resolve the issue based on historical data and resolution patterns. Work management. All teams need powerful connected tools to manage their work. Atlassian has been best-in-class products that enable all types of teams to collaborate, communicate, and manage all the things they need to be productive. Trello drives visual collaboration with an easy-to-use digital workspace where teams can organize and track projects from anywhere. Jira gives teams that need more structure a platform to make sure certain workflows are followed and tracked. And Confluence transforms teamwork by allowing open knowledge and information to flow across an organization. As we move forward with teams in all departments adopting to a radical new working pattern, Atlassian scales across the org to support all types of work, whether it's in an office, remote, or some combination of the two. Workspace and board views is a key feature. Remote work itself is evolving in a myriad of combinations, from fully distributed to hybrid work. Each company's setup will be unique with a distributed workforce that flows between home offices and corporate locales. What sustains all of this is a corporate culture and work environment where collaboration can thrive from anywhere. That's where Trello comes in. Since 2011, Trello has been empowering teams globally to accomplish the greater things from an approachable, easy-to-use interface. Trello's human-centric design and lovable brand have made it one of the most popular project management tools of all time. Trello is rapidly becoming the digital office and workspace where teams can not only organize, plan, and track projects, but also manage every aspect of their work within an organization. This year, teams will be able to view their information and interact with their work in Trello with even more flexibility, with the addition of workspaces and all new table, timetable, and calendar views. These new views will empower teams to gain deeper insight into projects and tasks than ever before. It is all part of Trello's vision to make work as seamless and as visual as possible. In addition to aligning your organization's workflow and processes in cloud, we've seen that remote teams need additional context, communication, and documentation to stay on the same page. Remote and distributed teams can't always depend on in-person communications, whiteboards, or Zoom meetings. They rely on written, recorded, or context-driven communication methods that power the asynchronous collaboration. This is where Confluence comes in. With the addition of Confluence Analytics, teams will be able to track usage information, keep teams accountable in a remote working world. But cloud would not be successful without cloud security and data residency. Our cloud platform is the secret sauce of Atlassian. Right out of the box, you will get all things you would have to do manually with a lot of labor if you were running your own services. Most notably though, it comes down to security. Our cloud platform includes security and governance, privacy and compliance, data management, reliability, change management, and extensibility. Data residency is a key requirement for many teams, no matter what the size across the globe. Many of our customers work in regulated industries with specific data guidelines. So as part of cloud, and in order to ensure that we are providing the best experience on cloud, we offer data residency support across all license tiers. This means that users have the choice to pick where their data is hosted. From Jira issues and Confluence pages to comments, attachments, and configuration, you choose where your data lives. We are taking this one step further. We have built out our data residency offering to cover the globe, with data centers in North America and Europe already available, and expanding to Frankfurt, Singapore, and Sydney in the coming months. These data centers help deliver quick responses no matter where in the world your office is located. What's more, for existing customers that upgrade to cloud, you can also choose to migrate your data from one geo to another. Data residency is an area where we continue to make progress, so it's important that we also continue to educate our customers. The Atlassian ecosystem and marketplace is another key aspect to ensuring that we are successful in the cloud. The Atlassian ecosystem helps customers build custom solutions that are a perfect fit for their teams. Atlassian prides ourselves on the value that our ecosystem provides to our customers. First, the ecosystem simply unlocks many more use cases. We have apps for test management use cases, things like time and cost tracking that helps users in professional service space accurately report work to their customers. There's asset management for IT teams, reporting, diagramming, you name it. It enables 1 million users to use our product, but most importantly, it's all on one platform with one monthly bill out of one hand. Next to these major use cases, the ecosystem in many cases helps to bridge the last mile to the customer. Your executive needs a specific way to see data, there's an app for that. You want to have a customer data from your in-house CRM showing up on your service desk tickets? Sure, there's an app for that. Our ecosystem caters to the long tail of these customization needs. And finally, it's becoming increasingly important with the explosion of SaaS products that people use for customers to benefit from deep bi-directional integrations on and off our products. If you look at a Jira ticket and it refers to a design in InVision, why switch over to InVision if you can just have an embedded preview of that design right in your ticket? Whilst previously users could get deep integrations from only a single vendor within all of their within their all or nothing product suites, it is now possible for our best of breed tools from any vendor to work seamlessly together, and we're investing to make it happen. One aspect that is important to take away is that Atlassian's ecosystem is much more than the 4,700 plus apps on our marketplace. In fact, our customers themselves have created more than 10 times that amount of apps in the form of private apps for their specific purposes. Next to the 1,400 vendors in our marketplace, many of which have built their entire business on Atlassian exclusively, we see partners combining their consulting business with offering custom apps and marketplace apps, and thousands of in-house developers, many of who work full-time with our products to tailor them to workflows and needs of their organization. This is critical for us and for how we think about nurturing our ecosystem long-term. In many ways, these in-house developers and tinkerers are the top of our developer funnel. Many of the big vendors we see today in our ecosystem at some point started at a small individual using our products and seeing an opportunity to improve and extend it, and then realizing that others might have the same extension too. It is because of this Atlassian that Atlassian has built Forge to better support our ecosystem in the cloud. So cloud apps on Forge. Atlassian Forge, our next generation cloud app development platform. This sounds interesting, but what does it do? With Forge, we're introducing a new hosted app model with Atlassian provided compute and storage. For compute, we're going with a FAS, or Functions as a Service approach, based on AWS Lambda. We're also creating a UI language to let developers quickly and easily build UI elements that look good across platforms. And we'll leverage some of Atlassian's unique assets and a few extra features to provide an amazing experience that's built for a modern DevOps approach to operating software in cloud. The Forge platform has been designed to ensure ease and speed of development, meaning more time can be spent on innovation than development. There is a low barrier to entry. Atlassian is an attractive ecosystem to build for. Payments, distribution, etc. can all be handled by Atlassian, allowing partners to get up and running quickly. It's also easier to meet cloud standards. Atlassian has invested heavily in offering the best cloud experience. With this in mind, we've built Forge platform to include a number of key requirements for customers in the cloud, such as hosting and data residency. So then there's the final, is the Forge customer benefits. There's a better app experience. Customers can build their own apps easily, and more cloud apps will be trustworthy. With Forge, our eventual goal is to help developers build things more easily across the Atlassian cloud. So we want to bring Forge UI to popular extension points we already have, like web panels, issue glances, and dialogues. We're looking for further into the future with Forge, and we're exploring what else we can do as we see this as a key component to our success in the cloud. So that's it. I hope today I have been able to give you a good understanding of Atlassian's commitment and journey to deliver the best Atlassian experience via the cloud. This includes supporting teams of all sizes in agile methods, DevOps, ITSM, and work management, meeting customer needs in cloud security and data residency, and ensuring we support our ecosystem to come on the journey with us. The Atlassian marketplace and our solution partners are a key aspect to being successful within Atlassian. Thank you.